Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Allan.
Number 5, okay, what is called that self-incriminatory statement by the subject falling short of an acknowledgement of guilt? Falling short of an acknowledgement of guilt, okay? So, anybody na sumagot? Okay, very good. Okay, so your answer is all correct. The answer is admission. Okay, we already discussed the confession. Informant, we studied that last review. When say about informant, those person who voluntarily provides information to the police. Okay? So, sige dyan, Arnel Comia. Ang sagot sa number 4 is alpha. Okay? So, alpha. Okay. Take note, I want you to analyze falling short of an acknowledgement of guilt. Falling short. As simple as that. So, iniba lang ng konti. Imbis na ginawang partial acknowledgement of guilt, ginawa lang falling short of acknowledgement of guilt. So, Mark, you are correct. The answer is admission. Hindi pwedeng maging informant because informant, those person who voluntarily provides information to the investigator. Okay. So, please remember. As I remember, guys, I want to ask this. Anong pagkakaiba ng anonymous informant sa confidential informant? Do you have an idea? Please type your answer. What is the difference between an anonymous? Sir, parehas lang yun. Parehas lang yun, sir. And confidential informant. Anong pagkakaiba, guys? What is the answer? Guys, no? Is my audio loud and clear? Okay, anybody? Is my audio loud and clear? Yun. Okay. Thanks, JM, Leon. So, yan. Balik tayo sa question. Ano ang difference ng isang anonymous informant and confidential? So, what is the difference? Okay, Leon, you are correct. Yung confidential po, alam ang identity ng informant. Yes, correct. Ang confidential, you know the identity of the informant, but the informant asks that his identity must be not disclosed. Dapat hindi i-broadcast or i-public. Ang anonymous, yung source ng info, unidentified. Okay? So I want you to remember, in anonymous, the source of info is unidentified. So please remember that. Okay? So the source of info is unidentified. Okay? Is unidentified. So please remember that. So, let us now proceed to number 6. Okay. Fiscals and prosecutors are under the control and supervision of the... What is the answer? Okay. What is the answer, guys? Under ba siya ng Department of Justice, Supreme Court, Department of Interior and Local Government, o NBI? Sabi nila yan, the answer is letter D. Okay, Dong and Alwin also answered letter D. Okay, you are correct. So, Fiscals and prosecutors are under the control of DOJ, not NBI, not DILG. Because alam nyo naman, ang under ng DILG is the tri-bureaus. Okay? The PNP, the BJMP, and the BF, and the PPSC. Okay? Not the Supreme Court. Tandaan nyo, no? Fiscal ba and prosecutors, sila dyan ba ay tinuturing na judicial authorities? Yes or no? Sila ba ay judicial authorities? Yes or no? Guys, yes or no? Okay, sabi ni Alwin, sabi ni Rose Ann, yes. But guys, no, I want you to remember, fiscals and prosecutors considered not judicial authorities because under sila ng executive branch of the government. Department of Justice is under the executive branch of the government. However, for the purpose doon sa inyong revised penal code na Article 125, no? Yung tinatawag natin sa RPC, no? Article 125. Okay, Article 125, yung failure, no? I want you to remember to deliver the arrested person to the proper judicial authorities. Diyan sa particular provision na yan ng revised penal code, no? Ang fiscal and prosecutors, no, ay tinuturing na judicial authorities for that instance, no, for that provision of law. Pero, no, technically, ang fiscals and prosecutors hindi sila under ng judicial branch. Kasi ang DOJ under yan ng executive branch. So please remember that, guys. Let us now proceed to number 7. What is the answer, guys? The questioning of person in a formal and systematic way, and most often used to question the criminal suspect to determine their probable guilt or innocence. Sabi ni John Eric letter B. Sino pa? May iba pa bang sasagot? Sabi ni Rose A, inquiry. Okay? Sabi ni Rose, inquiry. So, what is the answer? Okay, bago natin sagutin, I want you to take note yung polygraph examination, hindi yan ang sagot, medyo malayo. Then ang inquiry, related siya, pero ano yan common terms yan. Kumbaga, hindi siya kasama sa common terms. No? Field inquiry, pag-inquire sa labas. No, may term na ganun But yung inquiry is a common term. So, hindi siya ang sagot. So, sabi ni Dong, Mexico, and Irene. Okay? Interrogation. Okay? Ngayon, kayo mag-decide kung interrogation, Pag-aralan natin ang difference ng interview. Unang difference ng interview and interrogation is, in interview, it is a simple questioning. So, in interview, it is a simple questioning. Okay? Simple questioning ng interview. While in interrogation, skillful questioning. Skillful. Okay? That is the first difference. The second difference is, in the interview, the subject is cooperative. Nakikipagtulungan. Sir, nakita ko nga itong pumatay, sir. Sir, eto po. Cooperative. Interrogation, the subject is reluctant. Reluctant. Okay? So, itatype ko guys, no? The interrogation, the subject is reluctant, no, to divulge information to the investigator. So, I want you to remember, reluctant. Reluctant. Ayaw niya. Kailangan mo pa siyang, no, gamitan ng interrogation techniques, no? Kaya nga, no, alam nyo, ang isang magaling na criminologist, magaling manligaw yan. Okay? Magaling manligaw yan. Na kahit ayaw, mapapa-oo. Okay? Kasi nag-aaralan yan sa criminology. Okay? Kaya mahusay yung mga criminologists eh. Criminology graduates at student natin. Because pinag-aaralan talaga yan. Ayaw mo, okay, by means of interrogation, makukuha ko yung sagot mo. Okay? Na oo. So, reluctant, no? So, ayaw. The third difference in interview, okay, the subject is usually the complainant or the victim and witnesses. Yun, witnesses. While in interrogation, usually the subject is the suspect or hostile witness. Suspect or hostile witness. Ngayon, based on my explanation, ano ang sagot sa question? Tumama ba kayo? Yes, karamihan sa inyo tumama ang sagot. Kasi, no, to question the criminal suspect. Yun ang keywords eh. Diba? The subject in interrogation is suspect. Okay? The subject in interrogation is suspect. So, the answer is interrogation. Letter D. So, please remember that, guys. No? So, sir, ano ba yung hostile witness? Okay? So, pag sinabi mong hostile witness, I want you to remember this. Those witnesses, no? Those witnesses in favor of, okay, of the accused. Those witnesses in favor of the accused. So, please remember that.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!